Hi, Crafty Friends, Lacey here, Chi Bum, and I just got in the Miss Kate Cuttables paper clip kit, the monthly kit for this month, so I thought that I would share with you. Technically, I think this is May. I feel like they ship May at the end of May, and I get it early June or early the next month. I feel like that's how it goes, but this is really cute. I also have last month's too that I have not even opened or looked at, so I thought we would go through that one as well. But we'll start with this month first in case you're interested in, and I want to dig into this. So we are going to get into it. It's called Sunshine on My Mind. It looks so cute. I'm so excited. If you don't know that their monthly kits are, I think, $24.99. You get the paper collection and you get the ephemera and a sticker sheet. I am not sponsored. I pay for this out of my own pocket. I am not getting anything for free, but I do think it is a good deal if you are interested in trying some kind of subscription and you don't know what you want to do. You can cancel anytime. I like to just try different subscriptions. I'll try them for like 6 months, see how I'm liking it, if I'm using it, and then sometimes I'll switch to another one. But I really do like Miss Kate's papers. Her paper does have a sheen to it, so if you're not really into that, it might not be for you. But her stuff is so cute. I really, really do enjoy it. So we're gonna go through the paper first, and then we'll go through the other things. So here's the front sheet. She does put a print on the back of the front sheet, so it is usable. I do like to, sometimes I'll cut into these and use them as like little embellishment strips or something like that. But this one is really cute, and I do see some ice cream. There is an ice cream swap, and is hosting an ice cream swap again this summer. I did one a couple years ago. She did one last year, and she's doing it again this year. So I will link her video down below because I'm pretty sure she has an announcement video, but I'll link her down below as well as her Instagram as well if you're interested. But there is ice cream in here, so I think it would be cute to utilize. Maybe not all of the papers, but you would be able to use some of them. So the first one, we have these floral flowers. I don't know if it's like a daisy or not, but it is giving me very summery Hawaiian type of vibes. They're not hibiscus, but it is giving me kind of those type of vibes. We have a polka dot. She always does polka dots. She always has cute little cut aparts. Her paper, I will say, I have noticed in the last few kits, it feels a little thinner than it used to. So I don't know if she's moved from like 85-pound down to 65-pound. That's kind of the vibes it's given me, but I think it's still good. I really like the print quality. The color saturation is always on par. So here is the first sheet of cut parts. Look at how cute this little ice cream cone is. It's really cute. I might have to use this because I think it's adorable. We have this little, it kind of reminds me of like, well, it's like a scallop, but like ice cream shop type of thing. And on the back we have more cut aparts. Look at these little sunglasses. Those are so cute. They kind of go every which way. We have sunny days ahead. Don't worry, be happy. This is really cute. Oh, look, oh, this is adorable. I really like that as well. Sweet memories. That can be incorporated ice cream. Sweet. So I think that's cute. We have some clouds. And on the back of that we have more cut aparts. So you have popsicle. You have sunny. Don't worry, be happy. This is so cute. This would make a really cute little mini album as well. We have this yellow print. More cut aparts on the back of this. Look how big this summer one is. That would be perfect for a card if you want to do a slimline card. Ray of sunshine. Here comes the sun. Got this little wave here. Super cute. And then we have this one that incorporates all things. I like those little like postage stamp looking. On the back here we have more cut aparts. She definitely has a lot of cut aparts. Look at this little ice cream. So cute. Have this a rainbow stripe. This is so bright and colorful. So even if you like any kind of summer, I think this will be great for even if you're not doing ice cream. It can be like picnic. It's very summery. Like all things to summer. This wave page. Ooh, I really like this because it's like aqua color. I really like that. It's not like blue. Usually they're very blue, but I like the shades of aqua. yellow polka dot. We have this like sunray type of rainbow polka dots. This page, how cute is this page? Adorable. We have rainbow waves on that side. We have this pinky red plaid with suns. We have this like aqua wavy type of print. Little polka dots in the back. We have aqua in the same print as the yellow. We have this like grid type of plaid on the back. Here's a sunray as well. More wavy pages. Oh, look at these palms, coconut palms, rainbows. And this is like an orangey red. We have more of the flower print, but in a smaller pattern. I like that. Smaller scale. We have this blue grid. We have this pinky. It's like a corally red, I guess. And then the side says, Happy Summer, Sweet Memories, awesome. What else does it say? Carefree. Have a red polka dots, and then this is like a big layout page, but you could easily cut this apart as well. More waves. Here's the ice cream page. This is too cute. I love it. And then you have the yellow plaid, and then this is like, I don't know if I love this page. So it's like the florals, but it's all one color, like flat dimensional. I don't really like that. But for the most part, I really like this paper. I think it's really cute. It'll make a very, very cute summer album, which is probably what I'll do with it. I always have great intentions. And then here are the cut aparts that you're getting. And everything is a pretty decent size. You got a couple borders. You have these itty bitty flowers. So you're getting a range of sizing, but I really like these little sunglasses. You can write something on that. Here's some little words that you can cut these apart as well, the little sentiments. It's really cute. Super cute. And then you get your stickers as well. I love these little ice creams, so I think I'm gonna have to make, yes, a summer album is what is gonna have to happen. So there's that one. So that's Sunny Days Ahead. Let me put this aside. And then this one was April's, I believe, and it says Life is Good. I think this one is going to be a really fun one too. I see mushrooms. I kind of like the muted kind of color palette. I actually really like this. This is really pretty. I kind of like the muted tones. I love like yellows, blues, and like corally reds together. I really like that color combo. On the back of here, you have a yellow flower print. This is one-dimensional. It doesn't have the flower details. You have this pretty plaid. These are the cut aparts on this page. This flower is really pretty. It's very similar to a flower that we had a couple months ago. Ooh, look at this flower. This is really pretty. I really like that. I like the scale. These are the cut aparts on the back. This is really pretty. I'm hoping we see that in paper. Ooh, look at this. This is a fun polka dot. I like the variant, like the varied size dots. That's really cute. And the cut aparts on this one. I have this yellow daisy. More cut aparts. So she does like her cut aparts. So I like the little cherries. Another polka dot. And more cut aparts. I really like this flower. Really, really pretty. Ooh, I love this aqua plaid. And then we have this page. It has like a little bit of everything, a little sentiment page. Ooh, look at this checkered. It's like a corally orange pink checkered. That's really pretty. And then we have the little flowers in the back. I love this little flower. It's really cute. We have polka dots. Look how gorgeous that is. That is stunning. Stunning, stunning. Another plaid. And here's that little yellow flower. Ooh, like almost like an argyle plaid. That is fun. We have cherries on this side. So the rainbow page. She does like her stripes and polka dots. Miss Kate does, and her plaids. Yeah, this flower is just stunning though. This is really pretty. I really like this. Got polka dots. This polka dot with rainbows. More of these flowers. We get this little flower and then the yellow type of flower together. Aqua polka dot. Some little hearts. And this red stripe. Oh, I like that. I really like the star page too. I prefer stars over hearts, but hearts are more popular. Red polka dot. We have some like little clouds with a smiley, cherries, hearts, suns. Wow, hard word today. And mushrooms. That plaid is gorgeous. Then we have this variant heart page. I like this. I like this a little bit more than this one. And then we have the one-toned or flat dimensional flower on that side. This is really pretty. I like the color palette of this one a lot. A lot. So that is Life is Good. These are all cut aparts. Oh, I love when she does these little like label thought bubble type of cut apart. So here's all the or ephemera pieces that you get. Very cute. I like the mushrooms. They're really cute. Oh, I love this too. So many cute things. These florals will be great for like cards. If you want to make cards, these would be great. And then here is the sticker page. It goes with it. Oh, this is really cute. This Friends. Life is Good. Plenty of stickers. So I thought that I would share these before I put them away. Hopefully I'll get to use these real soon. I haven't used one in a while. I've gotten a few and I still haven't had a chance to use it. Actually, I haven't opened this one too. Should we open this one? This one was spring. So like their Easter one, and I did not get a chance to use this either. So basically I have not opened the last three. So this one is Somebody Loves You. I haven't looked to see if these are all of it. Like I assume like this month and last month are still available. I don't know if the spring one is still available. But I don't really have a whole lot of spring Eastery paper, so I don't mind having this in my collection. I don't always do spring crafting, but sometimes I do. Sometimes. So I really like this color palette too. She does a really good color palette. Like her color stories together are really good. You know, sometimes you'll see like paper pads where they'll just have one or two pages that are like way off. Like how does this tie in? But hers just tie in really well. So this is Somebody Loves You. We have this like ivy type of leaf pattern on the back. We have yellow polka dots. These are the cut aparts. Very cute. We have, oh, I like this like wavy type of stripe. This is really cute. Cut aparts on this side. If I don't end up using this, I might destash it. Cute little floral. More cut aparts. I do love these little carrots. Too cute. These little daisies are cute. I like that page. More cut aparts. Like I said, she definitely likes her cut aparts and her polka dots. More cut aparts. pages. One-dimensional floral, and then her little sentiment page is kind of like standard in almost all of them as well. Ooh, look at this plaid. This is a gorgeous plaid. Got this little daisy page. Her standard stripe page as well. Look at these cute little bunnies though. See, this is cute, but it might be a little too cutesy. I don't know. Again, I just don't do a whole lot in the spring, like spring themed. I still craft in the spring. They're just not spring crafts, I guess. I don't know. Ooh, I love this polka dot page. We got more of that ivy. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of these one-dimensional floral pages. And it seems like it's a reoccurring type of thing, but these are not my favorite. But this is really cute. See, I'd much rather see the floral. I get what they're trying to do, but they're just not my favorite. Some people might like that. It's just not mine. This cute little page, but again, this is super cutesy. Not usually my vibe. Maybe it's just like the colors. Like sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Like I like this color, but I gravitate towards like mints and teals and greens. Those are my aqua-y colors are my color. So I really like this one, but I didn't like it on the other one. So I guess it just depends on the color. Polka dots. Daisies. Look at the little carrots are cute though. Look at these little carrots. Those are adorable. Little eggs. See, I like carrots more than I like eggs. I don't know. More little bunnies. More little flowers. More flowers. More flowers. Then we have the little Easter baskets. We have the little chicks. So yes. Sorry this is way late, but you know. Sometimes we get to stuff, sometimes we don't. I also have like a box of Echo Park sitting around from months ago from a warehouse sale that I still haven't opened. And it is what it is. I'll do it eventually. I'll open it eventually and have to put it away. These are the stickers that go with it. Very cute. And then these are all the cut aparts. You can see the sizing here. So you got some really big sizes. And then I think these are probably some of the smallest ones. Little flowers, so you have everything is at least a nickel size and above, but those are all the little pieces. Yeah, I think those little flowers that's the smallest one. So you got good size ephemera in this one. Oh, this little flower looks small too, but I still think it's not any smaller than the little daisies. So very, very cute, very cute. I will link Miss Kate down below. Again, I don't have a code or anything. This is just a monthly subscription that I get. And probably will do a couple more months. I don't know. I kind of want to hold out until October because she always has really cute Halloween. So I might hold out until October. But I would really like, I think instead of a paper, I'm going to switch to some kind of little journaling subscription, I think. So if you know of anything that's journal related that you think I would like, let me know and I will check it out. But I hope you enjoyed these flip throughs and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.